What's good, YouTube family? Know it is your boy, the Red Turn, so aka Locs. Today I'm doing the Threadbeast unbox like I told you I was doing. Your boy wasn't feeling good, so I'm feeling better now. But yeah, I'm doing the Threadbeast unboxing video for y'all. So let's see what your boy got. It's my favorite color, red as well. So shout out to Threadbeast, you know what I'm saying, for the red box, you know what I'm saying. So let's see what your boy got. Yeah, I'm so ready to fight y'all new box. Y'all see it first. Let the video get thumbs it up and subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the YouTube channel, subscribe to your boy. I also put a code in for y'all. Go ahead and use that code to get 50% off for your next item. I have a premium subscription. Check me out. Yeah, see. Okay. Oh, they got a nice take up. Let's see here. We got some Taylor vintage pants. Okay. Checking for black pants. Okay. Pants. Oh, nice shorts. Okay. Pink dolphin. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. Some more shorts. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh. Yeah, I was thinking about this. I was like, one day they're gonna give me a necklace one day. Man, this is gonna be a fire box, y'all. I got me a necklace, y'all. King Ice. I'm gonna show y'all this later on what's in it. Hard luck. Okay. Hard luck. Stay gold. I believe it's by Benny Gold. Stay gold. Yes. This is nice. This is nice. And primitive. Man, this is nice, y'all. I love this. I love my package already. Threadbeast who we can give up, man. I'm telling you, they been hooking me up. And I got some classic socks. So yeah, that's what I got. This is nice, y'all. I'm loving it. I said my favorite color is red. I got me a red box. I know anytime it be a red box, it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be dope clothing, and that's what I got. So let's see. Got some pair of socks, classic socks. Okay. Regular classic socks. Okay. All right. Then I got the primitive shirt. Let's put it back in the box. Good me. This is nice, y'all. Like I love my unboxing already. My clothing already. That's the back of Stay Gold. This is by Benny Gold. Okay. I like how they gave me shorts, pants. They may give me pants, and they gave me a lot of shorts. I like that. This is Real nice. Thank you so much, Threadbeast, man. Y'all did y'all thing. Y'all was hooking me up, man. Y'all was hooking me up. Look at these. And I got the brown shorts, just like these here. Oh, these Grizzlies. Okay, Grizzlies. Now the brown ones I have is the Young and Reckless. Those ones that I got. Those are my other unboxing package. Look at the shorts, y'all. Look at them shorts. Pink diamond. Got the diamond sign right here. And then on this side say diamond. So yeah, diamond supply. Let's get it. And a pair of pants, y'all. I need some black pair of pants, you know what I'm saying? Black or anything, so that's what I need. I like look at that design right here. I like that. These are Taylor Vintage. Got a tag on them. Yo, these is $98. Yo, look, $98 for these pants. Wow. Hey, now let's see what's in here. I believe this might be my birthday here, but they said they're gonna give me something for my birthday. What is what it's for? My birthday. So let's see. So it's just a lion with a little small emblem on it. You know, that's nice. Thank you, Threadbeast. This is a King Ice. Designed in LA. So yeah, shout out to King Ice. So yeah. Okay. And this is what the box look like. So if you like this Threadbeast unboxing video, don't forget comment, rate, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below if you like this video. I love this Threadbeast, but it's like it's like the best unboxing video I have right now. I thought my other package was good, but this is good. Alright, so and shout out to the couple that come to my video about Threadbeast. Shout out to y'all. Y'all know who y'all is. Shout out to y'all as well. And I'm out. Peace. One love.